guys, so it is officially spring cleaning here in my home. I'm so excited, overwhelmed, a bit nervous about the whole process. I'm not just spring cleaning just to be spring cleaning. I have a bunch of different reasons, purposes, and all that good stuff. So one being, we're gonna be having house guests in for the very first time over here in Europe, and we will be returning back to the States in a couple of more months, like I continue to say. So I have so much riding on this because this is gonna help me to jumpstart us having house guests and also prepping to move out of here shortly thereafter. So I feel like I have a little bit of a little burden waiting here on it, but that's okay. I got this. I'm gonna do as much as I can. With all that being said, I'm gonna start with removing my curtains. Right in here, I can see that it's dust in between all of these. Like, I don't know if it'll actually show. Oh, you can probably see it right in there. How gross. And it's not even been that long since I've washed these, but it's gathered so much more dust right there. And because our windows, look at this. Our windows crack open like that, so a lot of the debris and dust gather there. Along with, I have to get back here, and I'm gonna have to remove these panels as well. So I have... Love to know down in the comments, are you guys spring cleaning as well? Let me know. I'm so grateful for FaceTime, being so far away from home. This is a great opportunity to chit chat with my mom and get caught up on things. So I'm so happy for that. So that's what I was doing. You'll see me moving my iPad around, just chit chatting and cleaning, just having a good time. This spring cleaning was much needed. This corner right here was notorious for cobwebs just hanging all behind the drapes. Not to the naked eye, but it was behind the drapes. So I was able to get all of that with the duster. And taking down the drapes and washing all of the dust out and vacuuming all the ones that I did not remove down definitely will help with the flow of the air in this home. Just dust in general, it affects your allergies and your sinuses and all that good stuff. Lavender pine saw is so awesome. When I tell you, my home smells amazing from using just hot soapy water with that pine saw and a little Dawn. Oh my goodness, my home smells overall fresh, clean, and then just washing stuff down and getting all the dust out, it smells amazing. I was so happy to have that little extender duster. I was able to reach in so many nooks and crannies, collect so many cobwebs I just did not see and just didn't pay attention to. I was so happy to collect all those because I don't want those in my home. Just a few more windows and I will be complete here in my living space. How many doors and windows could I possibly wash today? It's going to be well worth it in the end. This is one reason I like to use hot soapy water inside of like a little trash can. It just helps me out. I don't have to go take everything to the sink and wash all of my little bit of decor down. I could just dip it right in the hot water and let it dry on a paper towel while I'm continue to clean. Now that I'm done with all of my windows and doors, I'm going to move on and get to this board area, and then I'm also going to wash down the mirror above it. Please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you're enjoying this spring cleaning, this cleaning motivation, all of that good stuff. It definitely can be challenging. Sometimes you just don't want to clean, but when you get motivated, that's how I'll get motivated. Sometimes I'll put on a video and just watch it and just rock out. So if you guys are enjoying this, make sure to give me a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Now I'm just going to wash all my stemware down just with some simple hot water and Dawn. love fresh white laundry. It smells amazing. And as I waited on this load to dry, I did vacuum my basement and I vacuumed the basement stairs. I think I did an awesome job. It took a couple hours, a little longer than I anticipated, but I did achieve a lot today. I got all of my windows washed, all of the shears washed, floors vacuumed, just an abundance of things. It was well worth it. This is only day one. A lot of you may know that we have 4 levels in this home, so I'm going to be spring cleaning for a little while longer. With the amount of stairs and levels in this home, I feel this is the best way to wash the stairs down. Is just go through with the rag and just wipe each stair down. It really does make a difference. Well, you guys, it's been a couple of hours now, probably like 4 hours or so of just cleaning and washing and things like that. While I had my shears washing, I did get my wood and all that washed down. I wiped all the glass down. I finished wiping this bar area and got all this glass washed down. I got the windows washed. I'm glad I got all my windows done down here on this main level. They were so dusty. So much dust. And I'm tired. It's been so many hours. I'm gonna pick up tomorrow, do some more. But I think I got a lot done for today, for officially the first day of spring cleaning. Lots and lots of things got accomplished around here, so I'm pretty proud of today. I hope you guys are starting your spring cleaning as well. So if you guys enjoyed this, give me a big thumbs up. I really appreciate each and every last one of you. And I want to say thank you so very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me some comments below. Let me know some more ideas that you want to see. And I will speak to you guys very soon. Bye. Oh my goodness. Look at the difference. Look how clean. They even flow in the wind different. Look at that. Nice, light and airy and clean.